Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a blue screen of death in Windows 11. So first of all, you want to go ahead and turn on your BIOS. So to do this, you want to open your settings, then scroll until you will see recovery. Here it is. And on recovery, you will see advanced startup. So you want to go ahead and restart now. Go ahead, restart. After that, you will see this screen. So you want to go ahead and choose troubleshoot. After you choose troubleshoot, you want to choose advanced options and then startup repair. On startup repair, you're going to choose an account with which you want to continue. Then you're going to enter the password for that account. And if that won't work, that repair, then you want to go ahead and choose a system restore option instead of startup repair. Now, once you will do a system restore, your problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.